guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashpika. Welcome to Articulary, where we make eco-friendly home decor tips and tricks and ideas and so much more videos regarding home decor. So today I'm going to be showing you another amazing product ideas for your home decor. Now I'm going to be diving into my laptop in a second and I'm going to be showing you that amazing websites where you can get eco-friendly, highly affordable, budget-friendly home decor products for decorating your home in this holiday as well, and also for a party, for a meeting, for conferences, for anything you want to decorate your home. So we're going to dive into the laptop in a second and I'm going to be showing you those websites, that website and the product on that website. So let's dive in. Before go park, consider clicking the like button, guys. Really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos. And when we do so, you'll be getting notified about it. Also, you can check our website. That's at www.articulary.com, where we have eco-friendly, highly affordable and beautiful art that you can download it, the art printables. Also, we have the art posters, frame art prints, and so much more. You can check our website. So let's dive into the laptop and I'm going to show you amazing home decor products on this particular website. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you amazing home decor ideas to home decor products from the Etsy. Etsy is an amazing marketplace where you can get so many different home decor items, and it's an amazing website next to the Amazon. After the Amazon, this website is pretty amazing as well. You could get the printables as well, which you can download it as, for example, the art printables or printables for the wall hanging, which you can download and can place it, or either you could get the physical product as well. So we will going to go over to the home decor items that are popular in trending right now. You could see when I type the home decor, the bunch of the stuffs pop over here. The home decor wall art, farmhouse, modern, signs, boho, and all those kind of stuff. I'll just gonna go over to the home decor and we will going to see the home decor items. Now I could sort the relevancy over here, like you could get the relevancy. Since we are looking for eco-friendly home decor ideas on budget, so I'm gonna be doing the relevancy as lowest price because we want the lowest price to be featured on the very top. And yeah, so these are the ads. We can ignore the ads and just persist with that. Now in the beginning you could see the incense sticks are there, and okay, so you could see the tea lights, the red cherries incense tea lights. If I just click over this product and let's see this particular product, so you could see red berry scented tea lights, other fragrance available, lavender rose, vanilla, ocean, cotton craft supplies, home decor. So you are getting these candles, scented tea lights. These are the candles you could get. You could select the scent whichever you want, and you could see $0.06+. Wow, it's pretty cost effective. It's right now on 70% off. So you could get it. You could select the option from here. If you are getting a 6-pack, it's costing you $0.06. If you're getting a 12-pack, it's costing you $0.03. Let me just scroll down and let's see what it is made up of. So you could see over here the highlights, the material soya wax black eco-friendly packaging. That's amazing. You're getting as an eco-friendly soya wax blend, and it's eco-friendly packaging available in packs of 6 or 12, and eco-friendly packaging wrapped in natural packaging. So that's amazing. You're getting the candle holders, come gift all of our tea lights and candle holders, which you could get. You could see the different kinds of colors in that and different kinds of stuffs over here. So this one is the amazing idea because we would be needing the candles for home decor, and it's highly on budget, eco-friendly, and you could get the different kinds of scents, different kinds of fragrances in that you could also get the red berries, lavender, rose, vanilla, fresh cotton, whatever you want to go, you could pick up that and you could buy that. So this was the first product you could very well target. You could very well purchase. Now you could get the amazing tapestries as well, but let me just scroll down. Now I would see this kind of like stuff over here. Now this is the wall map multicolor wall art hanging fabric tapestry. You could see the fabric tapestry. If I just zoom in, so you could see the fabric tapestry, and the size is $0.06. The quantity is 1. If you increase the quantity, it will be costing you more. It's a 70% off, so you could very well get it. Let me just scroll down and see the packaging stuff and all, which is the size. Is a wall hanging eco-friendly packaging, cotton. So it's made from the cotton. It's an eco-friendly packaging, so eco-friendly, budget-friendly as well. You could see the size. 78 centimeter is the height and width is the 112 centimeters. You could read much more depth about this particular item. It's made from the 100% cotton. And it's amazing, guys. Highly eco-friendly. You could see highly eco-friendly, highly budget-friendly at just $0.06 US. That's all. Okay, let's see the third product items. Now another one I want to talk about, guys, over here. The third one is I want to talk about this art printable. I talk a lot about the art printable. These are really cost effective. Cub printable, animal printable, Be Brave, nursery wall art, safari animal decor, boys room art, cute animal print. You could see how you're gonna look into your room. It's pretty amazing, isn't it, guys? So more animals are friends here, and you could get it for your kids. It just costs you $0.07 and that's all. It's also on 70% off. You are getting a digital file, 5 JPEG files, which you can download it and you could use it. This is eco-friendly as well, budget-friendly as well. And once you paid the payment, then you are getting the download option. You could very well download these prints and you could use it for your home decor. You could see the different items, what kind of look like, the different sizes it has, the A4, A3, 5x7, 8x10, 11x14, and all those kind of stuff over here. Just pick up the last one. This is also the pet portrait, which you can get, which you can download it. It's a printables. Just scroll down, you're gonna see a bunch of them. Now some are the very costly, like you need to pay. Design Studio, another printable Christmas portrait. These are today's video, guys. Hopefully you find it useful. These are amazing home decor, eco-friendly ideas on budget. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Do let me know in the comment section below what you think. Hopefully you find today's video useful and enjoyable. Do let me know in the comment section below. Do you want more such home decor product ideas and kind of like a product which you can get it from the market for home decoration? I would really love to make it for you. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.